Now to a months-long investigation by the 7 News I-Team. A Southtowns man has filed a federal lawsuit against the Erie County Sheriff's Office after a deputy targeted him in order to do a favor for a friend. 7 News reporter Giovanni Ligi covers the Southtowns and brings us the body camera video the Sheriff's Office didn't want you to see in his investigation when policing turns personal.
You are under arrest.
I think it's bullshit that you even pull me over.
You are under arrest. Listen to me. You are under arrest for driving while intoxicated.
Okay.
On the Stark Road in Elma in late September of 2024, in a small town where people know their neighbors and their police.
We now know that there's a deputy who is out there and willing to pull people over if a friend asks them to do that.
What looks like a routine traffic stop unravels into a lengthy internal affairs investigation and would become the center of a federal civil rights lawsuit.
Roll on your back windows. Roll down these back windows.
In several hours of body camera video obtained by 7 News in an almost 5-month-long public records fight, you see Erie County Sheriff's Deputy Salvatore Vaccaro pull over Michael Kubizin.
Listen, I know I had a couple drinks.
Michael admits to drinking.
I'm gonna fail my drink. I'm gonna fail right now.
I just want to make sure that you're safe to be on the roadway.
Field sobriety tests follow.
Do you understand all the instructions I gave you? All right, you may begin.
And minutes later,
I'm not blowing.
What?
I'm not blowing.
You're not blowing? Okay. Go ahead and turn around. Put your hands behind your back. All right. You're under arrest for DWI.
Michael is then arrested for DWI, and for most people, that's where the story would end. But according to internal records, this stop didn't start on the side of the road. Records show investigators determined Deputy Vaccaro targeted Michael, lied during an internal affairs investigation, withheld key evidence from the district attorney's office, and falsified the original police report.
You're really fucking me up.
I'm not trying to fuck you up, man.
You are trying to fuck me up.
Okay. You are under arrest for driving while intoxicated.
Okay.
Records show just before the traffic stop, Deputy Vaccaro received at least 2 phone calls, and minutes later documented a traffic complaint, but didn't tell anyone else.
Roll on your back.
Is there a reason for stopping?
So I came behind him, approached him.
Where was he?
Later that night, Michael's son questions Deputy Vaccaro's intentions.
So there's nothing, no conflict, because it kind of seems like entrapment.
There is no conflict of interest.
It seems like there's some entrapment going on.
He was unfortunately going through a divorce, and the brother of the woman he was divorcing was very good friends with the deputy and had called him.
And nearly 1 year later, investigators concluded those phone calls were from someone asking for a personal favor.
He knew my client would be passing through on his way home, and then posted up there, and when he observed his car, then proceeded to follow him and initiate a stop.
Michael was charged with DWI, and for months the case hung over him. Then in February 2025, the criminal case took a sharp turn. Those calls were never disclosed to the district attorney's office until months later. Michael's case ended with the plea deal for a traffic ticket, and the DWI charge was dropped.
Just follow me home then?
I am not following you home. I am conducting an investigation roadside. Okay?
Can you come, Mark?
But days after that plea deal, Deputy Vaccaro filed a complaint with the Department of Motor Vehicles targeting Michael and his business. That triggered a DMV audit. That's when Michael filed a complaint with the sheriff's office.
You think I'm like a criminal, dude?
I'm not, dude. There's a way to go about things, and there's a way not to.
Sheriff's Office investigators opened a professional standards investigation and found that Deputy Vaccaro lied about filing the DMV complaint, failed to disclose the phone calls, withheld information from prosecutors, and falsified the original police report.
That's not the way that law enforcement is supposed to operate. They have guardrails. Clearly, this deputy breached those, and not only did the county see the breach, they verified it.
Deputy Vaccaro was suspended for 2 weeks without pay, but by then Michael had lost his CDL, endured a DMV audit, and faced criminal charges for months.
I think the county is sending the message to deputies, yeah, go ahead, arrest people as favors for friends, lie or make false statements on documents, When we ask you about things under oath and you say you didn't do them and then we show you did, that's okay. Just, go somewhere nice for 2 weeks in June and come back on the third week. It sends a message that that's acceptable.
Michael is now suing the sheriff's office in federal court. In court documents, the county disputes many of the allegations, even though sheriff's office investigators sustained most of them.
They don't add up, right? What the county has answered and what the internal findings have proved don't match.
And while data shows very few law enforcement officers commit misconduct on the job, records show this specific deputy has a history of doing so.
Well, unfortunately, this deputy has a track record of abusing power. This deputy, there's been at least 4 prior times where he has abused his power.
I can't believe you're doing this to me right now.
Yeah, well, unfortunately, I don't care who you know, okay? I make sure the roads are safe.
Now, the sheriff's office sent me a statement saying in part, integrity, fairness, and professionalism are hallmarks of the mission of the office, and that they have no further comments because the allegations relate to a personnel matter and are subject of pending litigation. Jeff, really a story that we've been trying to work on for months, and we finally got the records, more than 80 pages.
There is a lot in that
There really
report.
is.
And you mentioned in your reporting tonight this deputy has been disciplined before. What can you tell us, Gio, about that?
Well, that's right. We've actually reported on this back in 2020, but back in 2019, after again falsifying records, but at the Erie County Holding Center, he was suspended, later fired, and he was given a second chance agreement, basically probation for 18 months while he was working, unless he did something else. But now we're 7 years later into this, and there's more allegations.